right, y'all, we done dirty rice before, but we're gonna do it a little different today. Use a few different ingredients. We're gonna put some shrimp in there, little andouille, your onions. When you're in a hurry, this is the best way to do it. Y'all come on over here, let's get it going. All right, y'all, we fixing to cut this andouille up. This ain't gonna take long, y'all. I like to cut my sausage real little, and I always cut these ends off so I can chew on them while I'm cutting. The real stuff that we made back in the day, it wasn't ground up this fine. We had big chunks in it, big chunks of ham, and oh, it was just good. You can still buy it around here some places. Y'all come over here, watch this. I'm gonna start out with some of this dry oil. Next thing I'm gonna do is throw this rice down. This rice is already cooked. Got a little seasoning and stuff in it. And it's all you gotta do is basically warm it up. That's what makes it so fast. All right, y'all, we're gonna turn up the volume just a little bit. It's been on low. I'll mix this around a little bit. We never done this growing up. We didn't have this kind of rice. Our rice come in a 50-pound sack, basically. And that's, you know, we're big rice eaters here in Louisiana. You make everything with rice. We're gonna drop water on it and steam it up some. All right, y'all, we're gonna let this cook down just a second. We're gonna move this to the side. Y'all know, you gotta make a lot of room over here just for everything else. All right, y'all, we'll throw some onions down here, or the Holy Trinity as we call it. Holy Trinity is a little bit of everything, really. See the peppers in there? You got bell pepper, celery, onions. Sometimes you get a little parsley mixed in. You want your andouille next year, the shrimp don't take long to cook. All right, y'all, we're gonna put a little butter on the rice. I like the butter on the rice. It just makes it not stick together a lot. But I will cut this several times. Then we just throw it on the rice there. Now this is gonna melt down in a minute. We're gonna mix it all together. Now you gotta get you some good Bruce Mitchell seasoning. I'm gonna put it on everything because it's good. All right, y'all, we're gonna toss everything around a little bit. Look at that. Oh. All right, y'all, give us a few minutes. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're gonna mix this up one more little time. Then we're gonna have to put our shrimp down. Turn this rice over a little bit. Yeah, it does with that butter on it and just kind of floats out there. Okay, come on, sausage. You ready? I like to brown all of my meat down really good. To me, it's just more flavor. All right, we're gonna throw down a little more of this dry oil right down the middle. Okay, got our shrimp right here. I'm gonna drop them right down. The reason I'm throwing these shrimp in last is they don't take long to cook. If you let them cook the whole time you're cooking the rest of the stuff, they kind of get like rubbery. You don't have to cook shrimp long at all. Make sure y'all put some of this good seasoning on here. Ooh, we got about another minute and a half on these shrimp. We'll be right back. We're gonna mix everything together and then we're gonna eat it. All right, y'all, it's all cooked up. We got it good and seasoned. All we gotta do now is mix it all together and then we're gonna plate it up high as we can. This is so quick and easy, and I just can't wait to feed a lot of people with it. That's part of down here. We got to feed you in Louisiana. We just got to, and we got to give you something good. So here it is. Growing up, we ate a lot of rice. We still eat a lot of rice down here in South Louisiana. You look it up, we probably eat more rice down here than anybody in the world. Actually, on the lakeshore over here, you got what they call the Spanish graveyard. And behind the Spanish graveyard, the settlement used to be there. They got a big levee all around. And they used to grow rice right there on the lakeshore. I mean, that's what we do down here in South Louisiana. We feed everybody. It's just important to feed everybody in your family. Make sure nobody gets hungry, and you won't do it in Louisiana, I guarantee you. Fast, simple, feeds a lot of people. Cook you some.
Tonight you're cooking with the alligator.